Today, on the controversy of hijab issue, we remember Raja Shri Krishnaraja Wadiyar IV, ruler of Mysore, icon of communal harmony, who ordered and arranged TANGAA, PARDAA fully covered for Muslim girl students to come to school during his regime. This was the heritage and legacy of the Mysore rulers. A great salute to the Maharaja Krishnaraja Wadiyar IV. Mysore was a peaceful and prosperous state during his regime. Unity in diversity was the beauty of the state. Nowadays, in today's Karnataka, what happened to our legacy? What happened to our legacy? Our state was an example for other states for peace and harmony. Very sorry to see the current situation. May God bless our youths to think peacefully, to continue the legacy of Maharaja forever and set an example to other states of the country for peace and prosperity of the state.